In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken URLs for a page in Wix. Broken URLs can be a real headache, especially when you've invested so much time and effort into creating your website. Fortunately, with a few simple steps, we can resolve this issue with ease. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is head over to your browser settings. Don't worry, finding these settings is pretty straightforward. If you're using Chrome, for example, you can find them by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right of your browser window. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new tab where all your browser settings are laid out. Next, we're going to focus on clearing your browsing data, including cache and cookies. These stored files can sometimes interfere with how websites load and display, leading to unexpected issues like broken URLs. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Privacy and Security. Under this section, you should see an option to clear browsing data. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. Here, you'll be given the choice to clear various types of data. Make sure you select both cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Now, before you proceed, here's a quick tip. Clearing this data will log you out of most websites, so make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the Clear Data button. This will remove the stored cookies and cache from your browser, freeing up space and potentially resolving any conflicts causing your Wix site's URLs to appear broken. Finally, with your browsing data cleared, it's time to check if this has fixed the problem. Try accessing your Wix site again and see if the broken URL is now functioning properly. In most cases, this simple step should resolve the issue. However, if you're still experiencing problems, you might want to double check your URL link settings within the Wix editor itself, or reach out to Wix customer support for further assistance. And that's it. By simply tweaking your browser settings, you should be able to fix those broken URLs and ensure that your website runs smoothly for all who visit. This not only enhances the experience for your audience, but can also positively impact your site's search engine rankings. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your website. See you next time.